Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Xfinity cable box in 2026. So there are three different ways for you to reset your Xfinity cable box depending on the issue. So one of the easiest methods is by using the remote. So you need to press the A button on your Xfinity remote in order to open the help menu. So when the help menu opens in front of you, simply look for the option of restart. So when you are able to find the option of restart, simply confirm it and your box is going to be rebooted in a few minutes and it is going to fix most of the minor issues like lagging or buffering. Now, if the remote is not working, you can just simply do this. You need to unplug the power cable from the cable box. After that, simply wait for at least 60 seconds and after 60 seconds simply plug it back in. Wait for the box to fully restart and this step is going to clear all the temporary glitches and it also refreshes the system. You can also reset it via the Xfinity application. So inside the Xfinity application, you need to go to the devices. Now inside the devices, you need to select your TV box, then tap on the option of restart device. So this is useful if your screen is stuck or you can't use the remote. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.